Haw Par Villa, a Chinese mythological theme park that sheds light on morality lessons through various depictions of Chinese folklore, legends, and history. Yet, Singaporeans are afraid of this place due to the infamous 10 Courts of Hell. Because of this, the original intent of the park has been diluted, which leaves Singaporeans out of touch with their roots. Introducing Hell Soup Kitchen. Collaborating with Ransack, we came up with an interactive roleplay tour experience with a hella witty and playful twist that aims to shift people's perception of Haw Par Villa, encourage Singaporeans to look beyond the 10 Courts of Hell, and subsequently let them reconnect with their roots. Print advertisements will be placed at bus stops and MRT stations, along with Instagram posts to garner attention. Potential players can then visit the microsite to learn more about the tour, how Hell Soup Kitchen came to be, and reserve their tour dates. Players will be greeted by Chef Meng at Hell Soup Kitchen, located at Haw Par Villa's Visitor Centre. Along with writing materials, they will be given an activity booklet consisting of a map, prologue, some hints, and station puzzles. The newly appointed junior chefs will then explore stations across Haw Par Villa, decoding keywords for the missing ingredients of Chef Meng's new soup recipe, all linked with a virtue. After completing the activity, players will head back to the visitor center and will be rewarded with a Hell Soup Kitchen takeaway bag. It includes Chef Meng's signature soup base for players to cook their very own soup at home, a set of Hell Soup sticker pack for players to keep as collectibles, and Chef Meng's sinful recipes, an alternative post-tour guidebook to Haw Par Villa, focusing on sins in the form of sinful recipes to encourage players to revisit this park even after the tour. So hurry, come down to Haw Par Villa for a taste of Hell Soup Kitchen now. We open till late.